But I got this big problem, and that's the problem right there, actually. The problem is that when I get, and I'm at the end of them right now, so it's not as bad, but when I get the hiccups, I squeak. It's been a problem my whole life. It's true. This is all real. This is real. The worst part about it is that I'm riding on the road with my mother. She's fucking losing it every time I hiccup. She fucking loses it. It's ridiculous. It's shitty. It's shitty. It sucks, and I hope it passes soon because I fucking hate it. So say hi, Ma.